On behalf of the Sunburst Parent-Teacher Organization, we'd like to welcome you to Sunburst School. Our PTO understands that in today's busy world, some parents may find it very challenging to attend meetings and spend a great deal of time on campus. We respect that and have worked hard to be a very efficient and productive organization. We've developed many free and easy ways that you can get involved. Within the next few weeks, your child will be bringing home information about the Sunburst PTO. Please take a minute to look over the information. There you will find many free and easy ways to help our school. The packet will contain information about programs such as the Arizona Tax Credit Program, Box Tops for Education, and information on how to link your purchases to Sunburst School from stores like Fry's, Albertsons, Safeway, and Target. Programs such as the Fry's Cool Cash program require that your Cool Cash card be re-scanned again each year. Just by doing these few free and easy things, you can really impact your child's education. Why, just for reading through the information, we will enter your family into a raffle to receive a $25 gift card to Staples. Simply read the information, sign the form, then have your child return it to school to be entered into the drawing. For a $5 membership fee, you can join our organization. Every penny the PTO earns goes directly to supporting Sunburst students and staff. During the upcoming PTO membership drive, we'll be holding a classroom participation contest. The class that gets the most parents to join will be receiving a pizza party. The rockets located in the main hallway will chart the progress of each class. Please consider joining the PTO and help launch your child and their classmates into a successful school year. Whether you're able to support the PTO through the $5 membership fee or not, we welcome everyone to attend our fun family events such as Bingo Night, McDonald's Night, Great Skate Night, and more. Look for more information about the Sunburst PTO to arrive home with your child soon. On behalf of the Sunburst PTO, we'd like to thank you for attending this evening's open house. We look forward to joining with you in making your child's educational experience the best it can be.